I'm going to make the royal icing for our cake. I need 1/4 cup of meringue powder. You can use egg white, but I prefer not to worry about the salmonella, so it's 1/4 cup. And I need 1/3 cup of warm water. And I'm going to mix that together and then add the powdered, a pound of powdered sugar. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put in the powdered sugar. This is 1 pound. It's already been sifted. Nice and slow so we don't end up wearing our powdered sugar. You always want to mix your royal on low anyway because you don't want too many air bubbles in it. And mix it for 5 minutes, no cheating. I know it comes together faster than that, but you need to get the right consistency. You want it at least 5 minutes. Okay. You see nice stiff peaks, so that looks good. Okay, I know this is going to look really odd. Normally when I use a really, really small tip, a 1 or a 0 or a double 0, and I'm piping very small fine lines, you need to strain your icing to get any little bits of sugar or meringue powder or whatever that didn't quite dissolve. I abhor sifting, putting my icing through a sieve, and so I've got a nylon. It's just a knee-high nylon, an unused one. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the icing in here, and that will automatically sift through any parts of the icing that didn't break down all the way, parts of the sugar that didn't quite go down. I'm not going to load it real full. Let's see, there it is in my nylon. And then I'm going to go ahead and if I squeeze it, it's going to come through. You can see it's going to come through all nice and. I probably put a little too much in there for this bag. I'm just going to go ahead and just stuff that in the bag, and I'm going to go ahead and pipe it like that. And you see it comes out nice and straight.